Hello my students. I hope you are enjoying your quarantine time and making progress in the e-learning. Today I will teach you new lesson which is plural. In this lesson we will learn 1. What is plural? 2. How we can form the plural words. 3. The irregular plural words. First, we have to know that there are two types of nouns, singular and plural. Singular means only one thing. When I want to refer to only one item, so I use the singular form. For example, it is a pen. Or, it is one pen. So, pen here is a singular. Now, who can guess how many pens here? Excellent, there are 4 pens. I have more than one pen. So, we use the plural form to talk about more than one thing. And here we adds to refer to the plural form. Now, I will display some words with their singular and plural forms. 1 apple. 3 apples. 1 dog. 8 dogs. 1 cat. 10 cats. 1 pencil. 2 pencils. Now, I will ask an important question. Do all of the nouns take s to form plural? Actually, not. There are irregular plural words. And we have to memorize them as they are. Now, I will display the list of the irregular plural nouns. Child. Children. Man. Men. Person. People. Woman. Women. Ox. Oxen. Mouse. Mice. Octopus. Octopi. Cactus. Cacti. Moose. Moose. Tuna. Tuna. Foot. Feet. Goose. Geese. Tooth. Teeth. Knife. Knives. Wolf. Wolves. Wife. Wives. Fish. Fish. Deer. Deer. Sheep. Sheep. Now, we will move to another part of the plural. There are some words which need other additions at the end to form the plural. The first addition is s. We add es to the end of the nouns ended with sh, ch, x, o, ss, s. For example, dish. Dishes. 1 dish. 4 dishes. Watch. Watches. 1 watch. 7 watches. Fax. Faxes. 1 fax. 2 faxes. Hero. Heroes. 1 hero. 6 heroes. Bus. Buses. 1 bus. 5 buses. Boss. Bosses. 1 boss. 3 bosses. What if I have a noun ends with y? Like, baby. I add ies to the nouns ends with y. For example, baby. Babies. 1 baby. 4 babies. But, you must erase the letter y first before adding ies. Now, we reach to the end of our lesson for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We also welcome all of your comments and suggestions. Thanks so much. Stay home, stay safe.